Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to reset the filter element replacement light on this air purifier. And when that happens, it will also turn the filter element replacement light off. And I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of the company that makes this air purifier. It might be Aroeve, it might be Aroeve, it might be something different, I'm not sure. But this is their true HEPA air purifier, and the model number on this one is MK06. But before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you've read through the user manual for your air purifier before you do this. And the filter element replacement light is letting you know that it's time to change the filter in your air purifier. And I have a video where I show how to change the air filter in this air purifier, and I'll link that video on the screen now. So if you want to learn how to change the air filter in this air purifier first, please watch that video first. And after the air filter has been changed in your air purifier, I'm going to show you how to turn off the filter element replacement light on this air purifier. Okay, so I have the air purifier plugged in and turned on, and I currently have it on sleep mode because sleep mode is the quietest. So the filter element replacement light is not on this air purifier. But if it is on your air purifier, when the filter element replacement light gets reset, it should blink blue 3 times and make a sound. So I'm going to show you that now. And to reset the filter element replacement light, you need to press and hold the light/reset button for 3 seconds. I'm going to do that now. Okay, now I'm going to turn the air purifier off and unplug it, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And I do have other videos about this air purifier, and I will link 2 of those videos at the end of this one. And if you're interested and have time, please check those videos out. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.